What is happening, guys? Mike here, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that follow me on Snapchat, you will have just seen a little greeting that I just did here, and you guys also just participated in the first line of the video. Today though, I have a very exciting video planned for you guys. It's my first skincare review. Skincare is something that I've been wanting to get into for a really long time, and until now, I haven't yet specifically focused on skincare, and I know you guys have been wanting to see it, and honestly, I have been wanting to gain some knowledge on the subject myself. So today we're going to dive right into the world of skincare, starting with my review of Native Man. Here we go. Alright, so Native Man. I have to say this brand really spoke to me when I first looked them up. I felt like so many of their ideals matched up with me, it was almost scary. Their entire brand is really developed around the notion of making skincare quick and easy to use. And this really just resonated with me because as someone who's new to the skincare game, I just want to use the necessary products, not a bunch of extra ones, and have it be something that I can do real quick and be on my way. Now this brand claims to meet those needs to the T, and for those that maybe aren't familiar with the brand, they come all the way from Melbourne, Australia, and offer products that they claim to be both quick and efficient. This brand also claims to be 95% organic, and they were formulated by pharmacists. Needless to say, I was pretty intrigued by this, and I'm sure you guys are too, so let's go ahead and cut the chit chat and get a closer look at these little beauties. Get it all done in 2 steps in 2 minutes. Making you beautiful in the burliest way. These are the mottos and ideals behind the skincare brand we're looking at today. For step 1, we have the wash. This 2-in-1 wash plus shave soap is made with incredibly healthy ingredients designed to thoroughly cleanse the skin and provide a smooth glide for your razor. Again, they also use organic ingredients here, including kakadu plum, hope I'm saying that right, which contains the highest natural amount of vitamin C in the world. We also have green tea, ginger, and peppermint to help with things like aging and protecting the skin. After that, we have step 2, the moisturizer and aftershave. This obviously follows up step 1 to not only soothe the skin after a shave, but protect it and keep it hydrated all day long. Much like step 1, this includes really good and healthy ingredients like lemon myrtle and mandarin to tighten pores and give you bright and smart looking skin. Now let me show you how I've been using this system. I usually use these after a shower, and the first step, according to the brand, is to put a little warm water on your face before using the face wash. One thing I really like here too is that I don't have to use a lot to get the full effect. Just 1 or 2 pumps works really well to wash my entire face and beard. And it's also enough to assist in shaving my neckline as well without having to add any additional shave cream or oils or anything like that. Now that we're all rinsed, I'm going to dry off my face here and get ready for step 2. This really couldn't be easier. Once again, I use just about 1 or 2 pumps and I start rubbing it into my skin. A couple of observations I made right away after using this a couple times was that it makes the skin feel very nice and smooth while also making it feel nice and dry, but not too dry, which for me is a good thing because I tend to get very oily skin around my forehead and nose. So using this really feels like it makes a difference there. Another couple of things that I thought was really good about this brand was, like I said in the beginning, both of these products are 95% organic, and their scents aren't strong or intense. I don't even know what the scents are here, and honestly, they are so light I couldn't even begin to guess what they are, but you know already that I have a scent allergy problem, and the fact that I can use both of these without choking up is a real plus for me. This is also my first time using a moisturizer. At first, I really wasn't sure what all to expect besides moisturizing, but what I got here, like I said a few seconds ago, was not only that smoothing effect, but I saw a huge difference in the oiliness of my skin, and I even felt like the skin on my face was firmer, which was something that I really wasn't expecting. Price-wise, I do think that these are pretty fairly priced. They do last a long time, and again, we're dealing with organic ingredients. So each one of these is actually priced at $29 $29.90 in Australian dollars, and it shows on their site that when converted to US dollars, that's $22.31. But according to the currency converter that I found online, it actually shows it as $22.35 US. So I'm not sure which one's which. I'm assuming since it's on their site, that one's the correct one, but who knows. But there is two ways to get a discount on these here, and one of the ways is to do a subscription service with them where they basically send it out automatically every 4, 6, or 8 weeks, whichever one you choose, and you get 10% off the price of the products when you do that. The second way is to use my code here, the Modern Man TV coupon code that the awesome guys over at Native Man are offering you guys as my subscribers. That code is worth 15% off the price of the products, and it and links to the products, as always, will be in the description for you guys to check out. For my first run at skincare, I have to say I had a really great time testing these out. I'm really glad you guys kept pushing me to try skincare. I think it was a really good decision, and through that, I actually found these awesome guys. I don't think I could have ever imagined a better way to jump into skincare, so big thanks to the folks at Native Man for sending these out for me to try. I also want to remind you guys real quick that coupon codes, not only for these guys, but a lot of brands are in the description in every single video. I've actually seen some other codes floating around in some other places that I noticed that are actually a little bit less than my codes in some cases, so make sure you're checking those out to make sure you're saving as much as you can. If you guys enjoyed this first dive into skincare, let me know in the comment section down below, and by hitting that like button for me as well. I really appreciate all of you guys that do that regularly, and lastly, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, you really need to consider it. You guys keep saying this channel deserves more and more subs, and it will if you guys follow through with clicking the button and sharing with your friends. And with that, I will say thank you so much for stopping by the channel today and checking out this video. I'll be back with you guys again very soon. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.